Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Juke battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Juke is turned off, the parking brake is set, and the keys are out of the ignition for your safety. Now, locate your Nissan Juke's battery, typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is usually marked with a minus sign. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps securing the old battery in place. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully position the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits firmly. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both securely to prevent any loose connections. After connecting everything, give all terminals a final check to ensure they are tight and secure. Start your Nissan Juke to confirm the new battery is working correctly and that all electrical systems are functioning. If you need new socks, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.